Hi, Joe Naylor here, Reverend Guitars, NAMM 2019, Anaheim, California. And that's Reverend Guitars, reverendguitars.com, by the way. And we have a bunch of new stuff here. And let's take a look. Let's start here with the new Reeves Gabrel's Sustainer guitar. It has a Sustainiac pickup in the neck. And what that does is it allows you to have a permanent, continuous sustain at any volume, so you don't have to turn your amp up, and it's totally controllable. Most controllable sustain system on the market. Reeves Gabrel's. All right, we got a bunch of new basses, brand new for 2019, and this one's called the Raymond, and that features a brick style pickup in the bridge and a double rail jazz bomb pickup in the neck. And this one's designed to get that classic sort of Stingray type sound, but a little more versatile with the extra pickup. This is also a new bass. This is called the Triad. And it has 3 jazz bomb pickups in it, which is a pretty unusual and versatile configuration. It has a 5-way selector, so you can get all 3 pickups individually or combinations of them for a total of 5 different sounds. And then volume and tone. That is the Reverend Triad. This is the new Greg Koch signature model, and based on the classic T-body with a raised center section. And it's got Greg Koch signature pickups by Fishman, which are really cool. They're noise-free, they're active, and you recharge them with a USB cord in the jack, which is pretty neat. And there's also mid-range boost right here. So up is traditional telly, push it down, and you get a lot of mid-range beef and a little bit of boost to it. That is the Greg Koch signature. And another signature model, this is the Rick Vito signature model. And it's quite visually stunning, as you can see. Pearloid top, pearloid headstock, Bigsby tremolo. And we got some custom graphics on the pickups. Satin finish neck. And custom binding. And I'm going to show you one more. Another brand new guitar for 2019. This is the Reverend Trickshot guitar. And this has 2 telly style pickups in it, Alnico pickups. Bass contour knob, which is cool. That is a passive bass roll off that we have on most of our guitars. So you can go from a really fat sound, or you can roll it back for a traditional twangy sound. And then volume, tone, 3-way selector, stainless steel saddles, Carina body, contoured back, 6-bolt neck plate with our nice little logo on there. And then we also do this cool wing logo on the jack plate as well. And like all Reverends, it has locking pin lock tuners. And all Reverend guitars, all bolt-on guitars have a roasted maple neck. As you can see, this neck has a dark caramel color to it. And it's roasted at high temperature, and that makes it more stable and lighter weight. So all Reverend bolt-ons have that feature now standard.